Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best RV antifreeze pump is probably one of the most important investments you'll make to protect your RV from costly winter damage. Ensuring that your plumbing system is completely flushed and protected from freezing temperatures is critical to preventing expensive repairs and keeping your RV in optimal condition for years to come, so choosing the right pump kit is vital for a successful and worry-free winterizing process. Number 5. Camco 36543 Winterizing Kit. Introducing the Camco 36543 Winterizing Kit. It makes winterizing your RV or boat simple and easy. Protecting your pipes from freezing temperatures has never been easier. It lets you use your existing water pump to fill your pipes with antifreeze. No more struggling with messy funnels or complicated systems. Everything you need is right here: a brass valve, siphon hose, Teflon tape, and pump adapters. Just connect it and you're ready to go, pump not included. This kit is designed for permanent, one-time installation. Once it's in, you're set for years of worry-free winterizing. It meets all federal and state low lead content laws. Rest assured, it's safe for your family and the environment. It's CSA low lead content certified to NSF ANSI 372. This winterizing kit simplifies the process, saving you time and effort. Protect your investment with ease. What we like. This kit offers a permanent solution for winterizing your RV plumbing. It simplifies the process by using your existing RV water pump. If you want a hassle-free, long-term solution that meets safety standards, this is the one for you. What people say. Idiot-proof directions and super easy to install. Came with plumbing tape and everything. Worked great. Convert your pump to a winterizing pump and do it yourself to save lots of $. So easy and stays in place for next winter. Installable by anyone with the simplest tools. Great instructions and works great. Kit was well made and easy to install in minutes. Now I can pull direct from the bottle and only need one bottle to winterize my system. Number 4. Camco RV Antifreeze Hand Pump Kit. Winterizing your RV plumbing just got easier. This kit lets you quickly pump antifreeze into your system, protecting it from freezing. Transform winterizing from a hassle into a simple task. It streamlines the process, making it easy to drain and protect your RV's plumbing. Everything you need is included: a hand pump, inlet tube, and flexible outlet tube. It connects easily to your RV's city water inlet. Antifreeze is not included. This kit is CSA lead-free certified, meeting the highest safety standards. It's safe for use with drinking water systems. Remember, it's designed only for RV plumbing systems. Never use it with gasoline, kerosene, or other fuels. What we like. This kit is perfect for a quick and easy winterizing solution. It's simple to use and requires no special tools. If you prefer a manual, straightforward approach to protecting your RV plumbing, this kit is ideal. What people say. The kit is straightforward to set up and use. The hand pump operates smoothly, allowing you to transfer antifreeze into your RV's plumbing system with minimal effort. The pump's design is efficient, making it easy to pump the antifreeze through the system, ensuring all the pipes are properly protected against freezing temperatures. One of the standout features is the included hose, which is long enough to reach all necessary areas and is easy to attach and detach. The build quality of the pump kit is solid. It feels durable and well made, which is essential for handling the antifreeze and withstanding regular use. The kit also makes the winterizing process quick and hassle-free, saving time and effort compared to other methods. Number 3. Garden at Home RV Antifreeze. It's that time of year again. Make sure your RV is ready for winter with our antifreeze. It protects against freezing temperatures down to -100 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't let freezing temperatures damage your valuable RV. This antifreeze is designed to keep your system safe and sound all winter long. It's perfect for RVs, but it also protects pools, boats, and seasonal homes. One product, multiple uses. Simply add it to your system for reliable protection against freezing. It's easy to use and provides superior protection. Its distinctive pink color makes it easy to identify and ensures complete coverage. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it's doing its job. This 1-gallon jug provides ample protection for your RV or other seasonal systems. Get yours today. What we like. This antifreeze offers superior protection against freezing temperatures. It's suitable for various applications beyond RVs. If you need heavy-duty protection in extreme cold, this is your best choice. What people say. Easy to use and worked as described. Because of circumstances beyond my control, I have an old travel trailer and what we call a cottage on my property. Both have poor insulation and pipes and traps in the winter. I pour this into the drains to keep them from freezing. Preston has a proved history for automotive antifreeze. Rated at -100 degrees. I have confidence in this product. Number 2. Valterra RV Pump Converter Kit. This innovative kit makes winterizing your RV water lines effortless. It allows your RV water pump to automatically switch to antifreeze, protecting your system from freezing temperatures. Say goodbye to manual winterizing. It automatically switches your RV's water pump to antifreeze, preventing costly damage. This simple kit seamlessly integrates with your existing RV water pump. It automatically detects when antifreeze is needed and makes the switch for you. It safeguards your RV's plumbing system from freezing and potential damage during cold weather. This ensures your RV is ready for use when spring arrives. Everything you need is included in one convenient kit. It's easy to install and provides peace of mind knowing your RV is protected. You can trust in the quality and reliability of this product. Valterra is a trusted name in RV accessories, providing durable and dependable solutions. What we like. This kit allows your RV's water pump to automatically winterize the lines. It's a convenient and efficient way to protect your system. If you want a hands-off approach to winterizing, this is the perfect solution. What people say. Easy to install, no more fuss in bypass. I install this just before the intake of the water pump on an RV. In times when my fresh tank is empty but I do have water in one of those large blue jugs, I can just place the hose in the jug and turn the valve and the water goes straight into the water pump and ultimately to the faucets. It's worked really well as a convenience for emergency water. Easy installation and use. Number 1. Camco Hand Pump Kit. This kit makes adding antifreeze to your RV so much easier. It's designed for convenience and efficiency. The hand pump is simple to operate, requiring minimal effort. You'll appreciate its straightforward design. It comes with a convenient connecting line, ensuring a seamless transfer of antifreeze. No more messy spills. This kit is built to last, providing reliable performance for years to come. It's a worthwhile investment for your RV. It's specifically designed for antifreeze, making winterizing your RV a breeze. Say goodbye to complicated procedures. Camco is a trusted brand in RV supplies. You can rely on it for quality and durability. What we like. This hand pump kit makes transferring antifreeze simple and efficient. It's easy to connect to your RV's water system. If you need a basic, reliable way to pump antifreeze, this is a great option. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.